Once upon a time, there was a company named Creative Solutions, which was struggling to come up with new and innovative ideas for their products. They had a team of skilled designers and engineers, but they were still stuck in a rut, unable to break through their creative block. One day, the CEO of Creative Solutions heard about a process called design thinking. It was a methodology that focused on solving complex problems by putting the user's needs and experiences at the center of the design process. The CEO thought it sounded like just the thing his company needed to spark their creativity and hired a design thinking consultant to come in and train the team. At first, the team was skeptical. They were used to a more traditional design process, which relied heavily on data and technical specs. But as they dove into the design thinking process, they realized how liberating it was to focus on the user's needs and experiences. They started by empathizing with the users, conducting interviews and observing their behaviors. They discovered that many of their products were too complicated and difficult to use, causing frustration and confusion. With this newfound understanding, they moved on to the next phase, defining the problem. They worked together to identify the key issues that were causing the users pain points and define the problem statement. With a clear problem statement in hand, they began ideating, brainstorming and coming up with new and innovative ideas for their products. They weren't afraid to think outside the box and come up with wild and creative ideas. Next, they prototyped their ideas, building low-fidelity versions of their products to test with users. They learned quickly from these tests and used the feedback to refine their ideas and build more polished prototypes. Finally, they tested their solutions with real users, and the results were remarkable. Users were happier and more satisfied with the new products, and the company's sales started to increase. The team was amazed at the power of design thinking. It had transformed the way they approached design and innovation, making them more empathetic, user-focused, and creative. They continued to use the design thinking process in all of their projects, creating new and innovative solutions that delighted their customers. Years later, the CEO of Creative Solutions looked back on that pivotal moment when he first heard about design thinking. He knew that it had been the key to unlocking his company's creativity and success. And he smiled, knowing that they had come a long way from their days of struggling to come up with new and innovative